My opportunity to come to Granja Tz'ikin was one of those really guided moments in my life. It was the most beautiful experience, and I'm really grateful that everything aligned to make it happen. There's so much fertility here, and there's an abundance of people and energy coming into the system. The time at the farm has really helped clarify what it is that I want to do on my life mission, which is to restore fertility and abundance to the land and the people who steward it. It's really beautiful to be able to see a project like this and how much they've been able to care for the land and regenerate and have all of these amazing outputs, and then also how drawn the community is here. So they're really looking after the earth care and the people care. And it's been very inspiring to see when you have the right integrity and intention and desire, what can happen. I've actually just decided to stay in Guatemala because I love the community, and I feel really aligned with all of the people and the mission that is happening here, and I want to be a part of that. Yeah, I really love the intentionality of this community, of being present, of having this uniting mission, and how we show up together and how we learn and how we're sharing our gifts and our interests and our wisdom with each other. And there were so many moments of ritual and intention and checking in and accountability and growth that happened through the community in this container and in this space. So that was really special for me. I love the animals in the system. It's been such a nice part, building this connection with the goats and taking them for their walk and milking them, and then having that milk in my morning coffee or with my breakfast, and Chuck, the pig. It's been so amazing to build a bond with him. There's the people and all living things that are in this system that have been my teachers and my favorite part about the program.